Some people need to understand that they can't have all they demand. There's forces they cannot defeat before they even begin. They should retreat, a power prisoned